Alright, morning ladies and gents. Welcome to DOSC International Open Winter Series. It's an inaugural impromptu series. I'd particularly like to welcome our 5 visitors. Almurqab from Qatar.
We start with a long distance race with a half turn around the world. So it was quite interesting to see this kind of racing. It was good for us because to start with the team, with everyone, we can show the potential of the boat, of the team. So it was okay. We had time to speak and to develop the tactics.
Today is first day. We are very anxious to see how the boat will perform compared to other boats, as we had really spent a lot of time and a lot of effort to develop the boat. And so far in the trial we were doing good. The only hiccup we have right now is just we're waiting for our mainsail to arrive, which is still lying at the airport.
People will protest. I don't want to end up, with a protest because of such a thing. So what I'm suggesting now, if they arrive here, once they arrive, we keep the new sail. We don't have to carry it. Because we have to carry it, we have to fix the buttons, everything will not start. That's why I say, so let them just come, rush, run, jump in the boat, open the lines, and we just sail away. Let قول قريب وين بالضبط? According to what he's saying, should be 7-8 minutes at the max, or maybe less. Shake, come, shake, no problem. بطلين خالصين بس يلا نوقف. اركب.
medium pressure.
Where are the signs?
Hey, gang! Good. Woo. Well done. Good job. Excellent job. Excellent job. Excellent job. Bravo. Énervé le Franck là. Emergency. Là. Ça va passer, ça t'arrache ou là? Ok.
I was happy just to see us on the top 3. So this is good.
Super.
Good progress.
Perfect.